This video we are going to discuss how to find integrals of the form integral px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx. Okay, so numerator is a linear expression and denominator is a quadratic expression. So how to integrate such type of functions? So the first step is we need to convert this numerator as, listen, there is a formula. Numerator is equal to, we are introducing two constants a and b in such a manner that a into derivative of denominator plus b. So this is the basic result. First we have to convert numerator using this result. Numerator equal to a into d by dx of the denominator plus b. Then equating constant terms or x terms or x squared terms, we need to find what is this a and b. Again we substitute the values of a and b, then integrating. So this is the process of integration. Okay, let's see an example. Suppose we have integral 5x minus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, so this is of the form px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. So first step is convert this numerator. Numerator equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b. So here numerator is 5x minus 2. 5x minus 2 equal to a into derivative of denominator. What is denominator? 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus b. Okay. Now find the derivative. So a into 3x square, derivative is 6x plus 2x is 2. So a into 6x plus 2 plus b. 5x minus 2 equal to a into 6x plus 2 plus b. Put it as equation number 1. Now expand or multiplying with a, we get 5x minus 2 equal to a into 6x, that is 6ax plus a into 2, 2a plus b. Okay, from here we have to find what is a and what is b. For this, listen, just equate coefficient of x. Equating coefficient of x. Okay, so along left side coefficient of x is 5 and along right side coefficient of x is 6a. So just equate 6a equal to 5. From here a is 5 by 6. Okay. Now there is no x term, constant term is there. So equating that constant terms. So equating constant term we get here minus 2, here 2a plus b. So 2a plus b equal to minus 2. Now what is a? 5 by 6. Put it here. 2 into 5 by 6 plus b equal to minus 2 implies 2 into 5 by 6 means 5 by 3. 5 by 3 plus b equal to minus 2 or b equal to minus 2 minus 5 by 3. It is minus 11 by 3. So a equal to 5 by 6, b equal to minus 11 by 3. Okay. So first step is convert this numerator using this expression. Numerator equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b. So a into derivative of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus b. That is a into 6x plus 2 plus b. Now we have to find a and b. So equating coefficient of x term and equating constant term. When equating coefficient of x, we get a equal to 5 by 6. Then equating constant term, we get b equal to minus 11 by 3. Okay. Now put these values of a and b in equation number 1. So our equation 1 is 5x minus 2 equal to a into 6x plus 2 plus b. So this becomes, listen, 5x minus 2 equals, what is a? 5 by 6. 5 by 6 into 6x plus 2 plus b. What is b? Minus 11 by 3 into, okay, minus 11 by 3. Or 5x minus 2 equals 5 by 6 into 6x plus 2 plus into minus 11 by 3. Okay, now see our function. Our integrand is 5x minus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So the next step is we are going to divide throughout by, okay, dividing throughout by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Here also 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Here also we are dividing or 1 by, okay, both are same, 3x square plus 2x plus 1, because our integrand is this one. So we need to convert or divide all the terms by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Now next step is integrate. Give integrals to these factors. So integral 5x minus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx equal to, here, integral 5 by 6 into 6x plus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus integral 11 by 3 into 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. Okay. So we define integral. So this is our required integrand. So we need to find this integral value. So I, put it as I, and here 5 by 6 is constant. So take it outside. 5 by 6 into remaining 6x plus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx minus, here 11 by 3 is constant. So take it outside. Becomes dx by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, let us take this integral as I1, this one as I2. So our given question is 5 by 6 into I1 minus 11 by 3 into I2. Put it as equation number 2. So we need to find separately. That's better. Okay, separately what is I1 and what is I2. So we are moving to the first integral I1. What is I1? Integral 6x plus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. Okay. So we know 6x plus 2 is the derivative of 3x square plus 2x plus 1, isn't it? So you can directly write the answer as, listen, integral of this function is log of the denominator 3x square plus 2x plus 1. You can directly write. If derivative is, numerator is derivative of denominator, then the integral is log of the denominator. That means if you put 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to t, denominator equal t, then differentiating, left side is 6x plus 2 dx equal to right side is dt. So this expression becomes, listen, integral 6x plus 2 dx is dt by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is t. This integral 1 by t dt. What is integral of 1 by t? It is log t. Log t. Now what is t? T is 3x square plus 2x plus 1. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so no need to write all these things. You just have a look at here. Listen, if numerator is the derivative of denominator, then you can directly write its integral as log of the denominator. Okay, so this is our I1 obtained. Now we want to find I2. What is I? Next we need to find I2. I2 is dx by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. We already know how to find the integral of such type of functions. Okay, so listen, here coefficient of x square is 3. So take 3 outside. This becomes 3 into x square plus 2x by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now we need to convert this into perfect square form. So here 1 by 3 is constant. So 1 by 3 into integral dx by x square plus 2x by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now listen, coefficient of x is 2 by 3. Okay, coefficient of x is 2 by 3. Take the half divided by 2 or multiplying by 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 3 and its square is 1 by 9. So adding and subtracting 1 by 9. This is the process. It is equal to 1 by 3 into integral dx by. Now associate these three terms. X square plus 2x by 3 plus 1 by 9 remaining plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. This is equal to 1 by 3 into integral dx by. Now this is a perfect square. It is x plus 1 by 3 the whole square. Now 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9 can be written as, listen, we can convert it into by 9. 3 by 9 minus 1 by 9. It is 2 by 9. And 2 by 9 can be written as root 2 by 3 whole square. Okay. On squaring you can see that it is 2 by 9. So it is of the form x square minus a square. So integral of the form dx by x square minus a square. What is the result? It is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Okay. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So this is 1 by 3 into 1 by a tan inverse x by a. That is 1 by 3 into 1 by, what is a here? Root 2 by 3 into tan inverse, what is x? X plus 1 by 3 by a. What is a? Root 2 by 3. Now simplify all these things. 1 by 3 into, this 3 becomes numerator. 3 by root 2 into tan inverse. Take LCM or cross multiplication. You can see that it is 3x plus 1 by 3 by root 2 by 3. Here we can cancel these 2 3 and these 3. So remaining 1 by root 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 by root 2 plus c. Okay. So listen, 1 by root 2 into tan inverse 3x plus 1 by root 2 plus c. So this is our I2. Now put all these values in this equation. Yeah, in this equation. I equal to 5 by 6 I1 minus 11 by 3 I2. Put all these values in this equation. We get the final result. So it is a lengthy one. So you need to practice it well. Then only you can catch all these things. Okay.